In this video, I'll guide you through how to completely remove Roblox from your computer. So in order to do this, the first method is to head over to your Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Apps. Click on Installed Apps. And in your list of applications, you'll need to locate the Roblox player. You can either just scroll down this list, or we can use the search feature at the top and just search for Roblox. Once you've found Roblox, just go ahead and uninstall all of these references. So all you need to do is click on these three horizontal dots here. Click on uninstall and then click uninstall again. And once you've uninstalled that, we also want to uninstall both the Roblox Studio and the Roblox player. So once again, you're just going to hit these three horizontal dots, click on uninstall and hit uninstall. Sometimes when trying to uninstall the Roblox player, you'll get this error message pop up. So in order to fix this, what you need to do is just come back over to the Start menu. Search for Run and then click on the Run icon. Search for %sign app data %sign and hit enter. Click on app data at the top of this folder. Click on the local folder at the top, and then from this list you want to scroll down and locate the Roblox folder. Once you found Roblox, just right click on this folder and then select the trash icon to delete it. And once you've deleted that folder, you can then head over to your desktop. And if you also have a Roblox shortcut on your desktop, you can just right click it and also delete it from here as well. And that's it guys, that's how to completely uninstall Roblox from your computer. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribe.